What's up, my Tipster gang? We are back with another video. For all my tipsters out there, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please hit the notification bell. That way when it go ding, boop, 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 you ain't gotta look for me, cause I'm fine. And on today's video, oh yeah, we back with another hot one. We got the Carolina Reaper, the Creeping Reaper, made with the Carolina pepper. And as y'all can see, this animated guy standing next to me, and y'all know him, the man, the myth, the legend, Krosky Boy, aka Duel. Y'all might know him from Dueling, man. Subscribe to his page. Whole lot of content for everybody. Hey man, tell me what's up, man.
I'm about to eat this shit with no milk at all. We ain't gonna drink nothing. Y'all see, ain't no milk on the table at all.
Hey gang, he said no milk. The first person to comment that he drunk the milk, you just comment he drunk the milk. But hey man, we finna just get in one more time. Look at that, y'all. He already blowing because he know it's gonna be. It's kind of red. Y'all see that? We finna bust it over, and we just gonna eat a couple pieces. We're gonna try to eat as much as we can, but we're just reviewing it for, you know what I'm saying, viewers' purposes. Bust that open.
I'm a little hungry anyway, so y'all.
Bust that open.
Jerky.
Woo! Everybody in TV land, y'all smell that? Y'all see that? Y'all smell it? Smell good, don't it? Smell hot? Yeah. Go ahead and whip that up.
Ain't bad.
Y'all seen his face, right?
Ain't bad.
We're just gonna pour a little bit out on the table. Yeah, put a little bit on there.
It come with a toothpick in it.
And made with the world's hottest peppers on earth. So, you know what I'm saying? It even got a toothpick just in case you get some of these seeds and you need to spit. You know what to do. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna get right into it. We're just gonna try a couple pieces real quick.
That's the whole pack?
Nah, it ain't the whole. He want the whole pack, y'all.
No.
You want the whole pack?
I just want it.
So hey, y'all just Creeping Reaper in there. Let's just go ahead and get one on. Let me get that one right
We're
now.
gonna get the big one.
Yeah. Go ahead and see what it's talking about. Got a little kick on it once you start biting into it. Good texture. Must be hot, y'all. See my guess ain't saying nothing. I'm gonna get another one for y'all.
That bitch ain't kicked in yet. What?
Ain't kicked in? I mean, it got a little spice on it. It ain't hot. It ain't too hot. Right. Definitely something y'all should try. It's eatable. It's not too hot, but it got a little spice. It's not hot. I give it on the REAPER scale. I give it right now. I give it a 3. It's like regular spice. It ain't doing nothing. It's not. Just to show y'all it ain't doing nothing, I'm gonna eat the whole pack. Just to show y'all.
Yeah, that be pretty good though.
Oh man. Y'all make sure y'all comment whoever made this. Y'all, we need a refund. We need a refund. We either get a refund or they post this on their page. Y'all let them know. I hear a lot of oohs and ahs, and it ain't no crowd in here. Yeah, so y'all know who that is.
Back hurting a little bit. Let me stand up.
Hey, and y'all can see, hey man, we fresh off work, hitting y'all across the head with another video. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. We taking time out today to please y'all. We love our fans. My Tipster gang, all my friends, family, hey, I love y'all. But this right here, I can't believe people is even doing this. This is child's play. It ain't nothing. Any challenge y'all want to see me do, just comment down below. Make sure it's better than this one. The Reaper done got reaped. The Reaper got reaped. What are you talking about?
He needs some milk.
Kicking a little bit though.
It ain't kicking it off.
It's kicking a little bit. Handful of man, bro. Shit getting kind of hot though.
But that's it. This one ain't hot at all. I put this one after the challenge I done try. I put this one last after the hot chip. After the after the this man here. You too, y'all listen to this man.
I want to be out there so bad.
The Jerky started messing with mine. He want to do another one right now. Another hot food.
Yeah, he said it ain't hot, so
it ain't hot. We're gonna say that for another video. I need more content. And we even had milk on the side for y'all, so we thought it was gonna be hot. I'm gonna take this back to the dollar store. I got this from the Dollar General. I'm gonna take that back.
Gotta eat cereal in the morning.
Y'all see the belt right here? The chunk ready for all comers, all takers. But this right here was a piece of cake. Again, I need everybody to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Also, make sure y'all check out my boy page, Dual Limit. He got a lot of great content over there.
Yeah.
If y'all like certain stuff, he got something for everybody. You know, his page kind of like a salad. You know, he got a little bit of lettuce over here, cabbage over here. The cabbage don't go in salad. We're gonna do that over. His page like a salad. You know, he got a little bit of lettuce over here, croutons over here, sprinkle the egg on it. You even cut your over tomato if you like tomatoes. But before y'all leave that page, make sure y'all put the salt and pepper on, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way every time it drop, ding, 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 you ain't gotta look for him. He gonna find it. Hey, he burning up. I can't believe it. They ain't doing nothing, y'all. We ain't doing nothing. So yeah, and matter of fact, for all my fans out there that want to see me eat another chip, I'm gonna do 2 next time, like I said. Just for y'all. To replace this video. So this right here.
Ooh, you say 2 chips?
We have 2 on. Y'all see that? Look. We ate all of it. Grab y'all one, YouTube. Grab y'all one. Yeah. Good, ain't it? He keeps saying it ain't hot, y'all, but y'all can hear him. He got ghosts whispering to him. They, you know, and then he got Casper coming through the walls and stuff. Oh, shit. He had to get up, take a breather, y'all.
Sniffing and shit. God damn.
I'm gonna finish this up, y'all, because he done.
Oh, man. Back.
He said he back, y'all, but
You wanna see me some
he
more?
done.
Dang, shit. I want me to lick the plate or something?
Oh. He licked the plate, that'd be the last plate he touched. But yeah, we're gonna, like I said, we both got a lot of good content coming, y'all. We just gotta figure out when we're gonna drop it, because we shooting every day. So we're gonna be hitting y'all across the head. So make sure y'all have your hat did, because we don't wanna knock your wigs off. So, and your lace fronts, you know. But yeah, this was real good. It's just something to play around with. I might just order me another bag and eat it for fun. Yeah, but really not hot at all.
That bit was good.
I waited a long time to do this challenge, or this review,
I'm out a little hot kid.
and it let me down. It let me down. Yeah. Y'all see that? You can still do that after you eat that. It ain't hot enough. Right now, it's supposed to be like boiling water. I'm supposed to be bubbling. Nose supposed to be everywhere, snotting. We're gonna see if we can last. We did the creeping reaper. So all y'all on the tube that's tried this and I seen y'all videos,
Yeah, the Reaper one creep.
stop playing with the people, man. This is not hot. If you think this was hot, you need to stop doing these. Man. Like I say, man, it's like Drake said, this child's play. Just some child play. Comment down below if them were bars right there. If I saw them bars right.
Yeah, comment below. Y'all know I won. I was just.
Hey y'all, he said he won, but he got out the video. See this video and this Reaper stuff was so easy. Like I don't even know what to say on this video. Like I'm just,
Yeah,
it was nothing. Like we just gonna post this just to post this.
Little kick.
Yeah, little kick.
Yeah.
Look at the whole bag. It ain't hot to me, it's hot to him, because he don't really eat hot stuff, y'all. But he dared his insides for this video. I don't know why he did that. He said ain't no fighting now, but y'all know he go to the bathroom, he gonna boom! Blow it up.
I'm good.
But yeah, man, that one.
Shit,
So we hope everybody enjoying their week.
all the pack though.
Oh yeah, no.
Get to your mama, your daughter, your son, all that. Little baby.
Boy, if you don't get
Yeah, man, go get y'all a pack. Matter of fact, it's so light that you actually can prank somebody. You can put this in a regular bag and they still won't even feel it. I think I might do that. You put it in a regular bag. Don't steal my idea. Don't steal my idea.
Regular. Woo.
But yeah, man, it's just really the end of the video. We just talking now. Y'all see we ate the product one then.
That's what he'll talk.
Look at him, man.
Edit that out. But that's what he was talking about for all the people that ain't.
All the people. If y'all can't see that, I'm gonna have a link and it's gonna be a picture that pop up whenever we post the video. Y'all gonna see what his page is. It's called Megan Door.
Oh, he said it wrong.
Doing Meg. Oh my God, that heat kicking in, y'all. I thought it was
You could do so. You did.
working. It's probably working. But yeah, man. But he know I said his page right, but he want to be first, so he don't want. You know what I'm saying? He put his name first. It's his girl page though.
Psych. I'm getting all the profits on that. My money and I need it now.
Oh my God. Hey man. Hey, we finna be out, man. Listen. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. It was a real quick one. Anybody can do it.